Hello all, just now we have finished the basics of Matlab. Now before going to start learn with a Simulink, it's most important to know more about the model based design. So let's get started with model based design. That thing is known as also MBD. So agenda for this session is what is model based design, advantages of MBD, MBD workflow, MBD process steps, MBD simulation methods, getting started with modeling. Okay, so we'll start one by one. First is like what is model based design. So you can see here in this diagram, modeling plus automation, that things comes with a model based design. So modeling, what parameters modeling is going to consider here, simulation and analysis, that always we are trying to implement a new ideas, and they are like faster repeatability test and all these things are comes in a modeling. So in automation, where we completed a modeling, from that model we are generating a codes and verifications. So automatically generated code where the manual steps and human errors are very much reduced. So this is a complete package of MBD. So what is MBD? So we will know more about the MBD now. Okay. So model-based design enables faster and more cost-efficient development of a complex dynamic system. In model-based design methodology, a system model is at the center of the overall development process during every phase: requirement, analysis, design, implementation, and testing. Model-based design reduces development time and cost through early defect identification. The companies that adopt model-based design can deliver systems with high quality and lower cost within reduced time. According to Mathworks, a model-based design with Simulink can improve product quality and reduce development time by 50% or more as well. Okay, a model describes a system in an abstract and simplified manner with mathematical equation and executable diagrams, creating a virtual representation of a real-world scenario using block diagram that one can simulate is referred to as a modeling. Modeling and simulation help with testing, especially during early phase of development where hardware setup is unavailable. Early identification of the errors reduce the project time and cost, and this drastically improves software quality. Due to the possibility of generating code automatically once software and hardware requirements are considered. Testers can perform system testing early without waiting for the overall completion of the development stages. Automated code generation avoids errors, which are mainly introduced during manual coding, and it saves developers time. So this is all about the model-based design and what is model-based design and what we are going to implement in a model-based design. To a few more points like try new ideas to perform fast repeatability test with modeling and simulation. Estimate manual steps and reduce the human errors by automating key steps such as reporting, coding, and verification. Create a digital thread and traceability from requirement and system architecture to the component design and test. Perform predictive maintenance, defect, fault, and optimize the system in operations using models as a digital twins. So this is all about the model based design.